Hi everyone. For this question, we're going to integrate this by using partial fraction. So when we look at this symbol, maybe you feel that this is a bit weird. Actually, we can rewrite it. Up here is the constant of 1. Denominator here is x squared plus x and integrate it with dx. So to use partial fraction, first step, we will make sure it is proper. Yes, this is proper fraction. And denominator have to be factorized completely. So factorize it, take out the x, it will be x plus 1. So next step, we will split according to its factor. So we have factor x and factor of x plus 1. So when our denominator is linear, our numerator will be constant a. So linear, up there will be constant, which is a value b. So the next step, we're going to get same to the denominator to build out the equation. So a will multiply with the factor it don't have, which is x plus 1. b will multiply with the factor it don't have, which is x. So for this equation, we're going to let it twice because we have a and b to find. So two unknown, we have two information. So let it to be the value from the factor, which is -1 and 0. Here, it will help us easier to find our a and b. You can see once we substitute our -1, a will be eliminated, we get -b. So b, we can get -1. So once you substitute 0, you can see value of b is eliminated, we can get the value of a. So here we have our a and b. We rewrite our fraction in partial fraction. Start with a is 1, b is -1. Then we proceed to integrate. So this will be integrate 1 over x squared plus x dx in the new form, which is integrate 1 over x dx minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. So you want to integrate together or you want to integrate one by one also can, separately one by one also can. So as we can see, we have a denominator power 1. So we cannot simplify to make it become x power of -1, later power plus 1 over new power. This denominator equals to 0 make the function cannot be worked. So for power 1, we will maintain it in fraction. So we will use formula number 6 according fraction. So integrate 1 over x, we get ln x. And this one, integrate 1 over linear x, we get ln x plus 1 over the coefficient of x, which is 1, so it doesn't change anything. Finally, done with plus c. As we can see, ln minus ln, we can simplify using properties of log. The item can be divided and put in modulus to make sure our function valid for all value of x, so that the function always positive and our long function can be worked. So that's all for these questions.